everybody, I just got the brand new WhamBam flexible build system for my Ender 3, and we're going to unbox it and see what it's got. Nice looking box, pretty sturdy. Just pull this little tab. Well, if I can open the stupid thing. Here we go. Pop that open. What's this? Oh, looks like we got a little bit of steel wool, is what it looks like. That's to prepare the build plate before you print for the first time. Let's see what's in here. Alright, a little heavier than I thought it would be. Packaged pretty good. Alright. Come on. Come off of there. Come on. There you go. Alright. Let's see what we got. Cool little thing. Flip it over. See what we got going on. Oh, that is shiny. That's nice. I like it. Pre-put together build system. Oh, it's just a sticker for the magnet. Just to see if I can get this apart. Maybe. There we go. Pretty flexible. Sticks pretty well. Alright, what we got? Looks like they sent a couple of stickers. Find something to do with those later. Little description about it, and then the build system instructions, I guess. Yeah, tells you what it is, temperature, whatever. Let's see. Alright, now that that's unboxed, we're going to go ahead and move over and install it. See how it works.